Luxury doesn't have to come with a sky-high price tag. If you know where to look, you can stay at five-star hotels for a fraction of the cost. Whether you're planning a vacation or a quick getaway, there are ways to book high-end accommodations without breaking the bank. First, leverage private booking platforms and membership sites. Websites like Secret Escapes, Luxury Escapes, and the Hotel Collection offer exclusive deals on luxury hotels. These platforms partner with high-end properties to provide discounted rates that aren't available to the general public. Next, use hotel loyalty programs and credit card points. Many luxury hotel brands have rewards programs that offer free nights, upgrades, and discounted stays. Combining loyalty points with travel credit cards that offer hotel perks can significantly lower costs. Cards like the American Express Platinum and Chase Sapphire Reserve provide benefits such as free room upgrades and early check-in. Another way to secure discounts is by booking through hotel apps and official websites. Some hotels offer lower rates when booked directly, especially if you sign up for their email list. Many brands guarantee the best rates on their websites and include additional perks like free breakfast or spa credits. Consider last-minute deals and off-season travel. Apps like Hotel Tonight and Priceline Express Deals offer deep discounts on high-end hotels that are trying to fill unsold rooms. If your travel dates are flexible, booking during the off-season can lead to significant savings on luxury stays. Using corporate and group rates can also help. Some hotels offer discounts to employees of specific companies, government workers, or members of organizations like AAA. Even if you're traveling alone, booking multiple rooms for a group trip can result in special pricing and complimentary upgrades. Finally, take advantage of bidding and price comparison tools. Websites like Hotwire and Priceline let you bid on luxury hotels at discounted prices without revealing the exact property until after booking. Kayak, Trivago, and Google Hotels can also help compare prices across multiple booking sites, ensuring you get the lowest rate available. Staying at a luxury hotel doesn't have to cost a fortune. By using private booking platforms, leveraging loyalty programs, booking directly, and taking advantage of last-minute deals, you can experience five-star accommodations without paying full price. With the right strategy, luxury travel becomes more accessible and affordable.